Hello, hello, and welcome to Nico. Well, I got my favorite earbuds, listen to music, answer the phone, talk on the phone. Then I walk into Home Depot and then I see this, and it says the headphones can overheat during charging or use and may present a burn or fire hazard, and to stop using immediately. The wireless headphones can overheat. Wow. So they can be using them or charging them. They have been acting kind of weird when I charge them. The little red light normally just turns on. It's been flickering. So I stopped using them. I emailed them and they want to send a return label, which I just received. I got the return label. I'm going to return them and they're going to send a brand new pair, I guess, of the same model. I'm not sure if it's going to be the same model or not, but it's recall number 22-023. And then you have to email dw2091 at eaffiliate.com. That's EFILLIATE.com. Or you can go on their website, which I did, and I filled out the form. And it's at eaffiliate.com. So it's EFILLIATE.com. And you can get a free replacement. Now, it also had a picture of the headphones, the little number there. This is on the charging side of it. I don't have that on mine, so this is mine. Mine are really beat up because I wear them pretty much every day. I don't have any number there. So they say even if you don't have the number, or if your number is not included, you're still included in the recall. So regardless, if you have one of these manufacturing numbers, then you're included in the recall. And if you don't, if no manufacturer code is present, the product is included in the recall. So here's all the information. Stop using the headphones. I found some other ones that are similar to this on Amazon that I bought to keep me busy while I wait for the new headphones to come in. So stop using them. Recall, recall, recall. That's it, guys. Thank you.